Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm gonna do an opening of a package I got from Sparrows lockpicks. It's right there. Let's go ahead and open up the package. Okay, these are some tension wrenches that I ordered, and these new mace picks. Just wanted to try them out. They look kind of interesting, so I went ahead and ordered them. Let's open this up here. Here they are. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks like a Bogota style, and looks like a standard, maybe standard hook style here. I also ordered some flat tension wrenches. I want to try them out. And these are the king and queen picks. I've had a set of these before. I know they work on some locks, so I don't know what happened to the ones I had, but these look kind of cool, so I ordered them. Kind of neat looking. Let's open up these flat tension wrenches. Take a look at those. I mostly ordered the set for these two here. I'm sure you guys can see that. And I also ordered a lockpick case. Put that up here. Because my other one's full. This one's kind of cool. You're supposed to be able to convert this into like a workstation. I guess I'll figure that out later. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and try out these mace lockpicks. See how these work out. Let's try it. You're supposed to be able to use them as tension wrenches also. Somehow. We'll see. Let's go ahead and try. I'm not really used to using these, so if this doesn't work, you know, no fault of my own here. So I'm not really used to using it. Let's try the tension wrench. Try this standard hook here. It's a little bit awkward to use. this tension wrench. The tension wrench was a little bit too small. Sorry about that, guys. No, that one's better. Oh, there it is. That's it. You know, kind of a cheap padlock anyways. I opened it with this here. Like I said, you're supposed to be able to use these as tension wrenches. It's a little awkward. I felt a little more comfortable using a regular tension wrench. But, you know, it's okay. So, that's all I have for you today, guys. Hope you liked the video. See you guys next time. Appreciate if you hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.